Hi, seniors. It's Miss Dixon. Welcome to week 5. Wow, right? We're just moving right along. Um, I love this picture. This is actually a picture taken of a scenic spot in India, which I'm sure that there are many, many scenic spots. So anyway, let me go through the week ahead. I am hoping to get through chapter 9 of Siddhartha this week. You will also have a quiz Wednesday for the for A day, Thursday for B day. Okay, so basically, you guys just some housekeeping. Don't forget to do the late notification form. Many of you are kind of behind, and I'd like you to make up weeks 1 through 3 by this Friday, 4/16. Actually, there's a great cutoff date tomorrow, the 13th. So it's important that you guys get things made up and get things in, do your late notification form. Don't wait until the end, um, because you're in the risk of not graduating, and I don't want that to happen to you, that you slip so far behind. I still have, whoops, I still have this up. This is a PTSA survey that PTSA and the senior sponsors would like you to take. Um, this is basically kind of encapsulating what you're going to be doing next year, where you got accepted to, if you have a gap year, or what it is. Okay. So go ahead and fill that out with that link. My tutoring hours this week, you guys, is basically pretty open. I didn't put down Tuesday, but if you need me Tuesday, just let me know. Otherwise, just pop in any of these times. Okay. I do have the slides up for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but it's very, very similar to Tuesday, Thursday. Okay. Basically, you guys, Monday or Tuesday, we're going to go over chapters 5 and 7. We're going to read together chapter 8. Um, for the B day classes or 5th period, you guys are also going to do on Tuesday the Fowler's Levels of Faith, which Siddhartha goes through. It's a faith walk that he goes through. He finds his purpose, he finds his what motivates him, and so forth. We will have a quiz. We will read chapter 9. And then Friday and Thursday, we will also have a journal entry. Well, if we have time for B Day, if we have time, we'll do some independent reading of your book, so please bring it. And then we'll present to you guys your final project, okay? That will be due in a little less than a month from now, okay? There's the breakdown of the chapters again and why you're going to have a quiz, okay? I do have some kind of a video, and I also have some links to kind of summaries of the different chapters. And matter of fact, here they are. And it will be on your slides as well, B Day. Okay. Basically, you guys, this is what I have. I am presenting something new, this Fowler's Stages of Faith, and kind of what the human brain, what the human emotional makeup as you age, how you conceptualize faith. You know, it's not an end all be all. It's just kind of an understanding. This man Fowler kind of put these stages of faith of how people grow. Like in the primal faith, the infant or the toddler understands trust or mistrust, and then that equates to the universe, trust and mistrust. Okay, and sometimes we go back and forth. It's not a progression. Sometimes it goes, you know, you go forward and then you go backward. And in Siddhartha's case, he definitely goes backward. Several times in chapter 8, he talks about being a child again. And so we're going to go through these. I'm also going to post it onto Google Classroom. And it's interesting. If nothing else, is very, very interesting. Anyway, that is basically it for the week, you guys. A quiz, getting through chapter 9, getting through, we're getting close to getting done with this book. I'm hoping to get done with it by the end of next week. Okay, so that we can study for the unit exam, take the unit exam, and have this book done by the end of April. So you guys, I wish you a great week. Let me know how I can help you, and we will talk again soon. Take care.